This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is leading a confident Jamaican team heading to the 2022 Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, which takes place from June 20 to 25 under the theme Delivering a Common Future, Connecting, Innovating, Transforming. Up to press time on Sunday, there was no official confirmation of the members of the Jamaican delegation to be led by Holness, with Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, who is bidding to become the first Jamaican to head the Commonwealth Secretariat, the only confirmed member of the team. On Sunday, Jamaican government officials refused to comment publicly on the number of votes they have been promised for Johnson-Smith, who is trying to oust Baroness Patricia Scotland as the head of the Commonwealth Secretariat. A man said to be a bodyguard of iconic reggae act Sizzla was shot dead in Judgment Yard in Augustown, St. Andrew on Sunday night. The man, who is also said to be an artist, reportedly goes by the stage name Culture. Police told ORAB that they were called to Judgment Yard where the man's body was seen. It was later removed from the area and taken to the morgue. At least 11 spent shells were found at the scene of the shooting, the police reported. Efforts to speak with Sizzla had so far proven futile. The 28 remaining accused in the Klansman gang trial have a case to answer based on a ruling by Chief Justice Brian Sykes on Monday morning. The ruling by the Chief Justice makes it so that the 28 who were all charged with membership of a criminal organization will remain before the court, even though a number of other counts on the indictment against them had failed. 5 of the original 33 who were on trial had been previously freed. Entertainers Tami and Wayne Marshall have welcomed their 4th child together. The couple's daughter, Ivy Arrow Mitchell, was born on Thursday, June 16. In photos posted to Tami's IG page, Ivy Arrow is pictured with the couple's 3 sons, Jax, Atlas, and Oz. In January, the couple announced that they were expanding their family. In regional news, Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mullings, has tested positive for COVID-19, according to a released statement. The statement by the Office of the Prime Minister said that Mullings has a mild case and she has indicated that she is doing well. The doctors have advised that she will remain at home until they determine otherwise. Mullings has become the latest CARICOM leader to have tested positive for the virus that has infected and killed thousands of people in the region. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.